From Arctic skies so far away, they ride the winds at break of day. Long wings carve the desert air, a winter home waits down there.
Hear the call, the ancient cry. Cranes and geese paint New Mexico sky. At Bosque del Apache, waters gleam, a living, breathing migration dream.
Tall and graceful, silver gray, trumpet voices lead the way. From Alaska's summerland they return just as they planned. Fields of corn, shallow streams, safe night roots, morning dreams. Dancing steps and lifelong pairs, echoes float through frosty air.
Hear the call, the ancient cry.
Cranes and geese paint New Mexico sky.
At Bosque del Apache, waters gleam, a living, breathing migration dream.
White like snow with wings of black, thousands rise in thunderous track. Morning blast off, sky turns bright, honks and wings in golden light.
From Arctic tundra, ice and cold, to Rio Grande, wetlands old. With Ross's geese, side by side, they feed by day, at dusk they glide.
Bernardo Marsh and River Bend, farm fields where the flyways blend. Central Flyway guides them true, same old paths yet ever new.
Hear the call, the ancient cry. Cranes and geese paint New Mexico sky. At Bosque del Apache, waters gleam, nature's timeless winter scene.
When springtime calls,
They rise once more,
northbound wings,
the sky will pour.
till next winter,
Soft and slow, they'll return.